Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad for Cars, the ultimate playground for car lovers with a passion for performance, luxury, and pure driving emotion. And before we jump into today's review of Ferrari's newest Grand Tour, make sure you subscribe to Auto Addicts right now because trust me, you absolutely don't want to miss what we've got lined up Lean BE today. We're shining the spotlight on the breathtaking Ferrari Amalfi, Ferrari's latest V8-powered luxury coupe design, to offer exhilarating performance wrapped in refined elegance. This isn't just a facelift or a rebadged Roma, it's a bold step forward with unique styling, improved tech, and a renewed driving experience bilingual. Liam visually, the Amalfi retains the graceful silhouette and 2+2 layout of its predecessor, but everything else is new. Ferrari's taken aim at face-like front ends and cleaned things up with a smart visor-like LED strip that stretches across the nose, removing the anthropomorphic grille of the Roma. Samba Ling. It also features a redesigned bumper and twin cooling vents above the headlight siege line, serving a purposeful aerodynamic role. Adding to that, the rear spoiler is now integrated and active, offering 3 positions and up to 242 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour to sharpen high-speed stability. Sifu Ling Ling. Head inside, and you'll immediately notice the welcome return of physical controls. Ferrari ditched the overly touchscreen-dependent layout of the Roma and returned to real buttons and a tangible engine start. Button right on the steering wheel, something enthusiasts have been asking for. E10T by Tisha Ling. The center console gets a gorgeous milled aluminium finish, and the landscape-oriented infotainment screen is more intuitive and less obstructive, complementing the sporty yet luxurious cabin feel. Ling Sen Ling. Under the skin, the Amalfi packs a reworked 3.85-liter twin-turbo V8 that displaces the older twin-turbo Roma engine. Tuned for a sharper, more rev-happy character, it now delivers 631 bhp and 561 pounds-ft of torque, allowing 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 3.3 seconds, and a top speed of 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. Ling. Ferrari also applied lightweight camshafts, a retuned ECU from the 296 specially, and faster turbos to bump the responsiveness and epicitude of this entry-level coupe. Sanjo level coupe Sanjo Ling. Visually, some critics say the front end echoes designs from Toyota or even Jaguar, but Ferrari's official line is that it's a deliberate departure from face-like styling to a minimalist visor design. Ling. Now, let's talk money. The Amalfi is set to start at €240,000 USD, 275,000 in Europe, with deliveries kicking off in early Ling. Prices in the US will be higher due to tariffs, and a convertible Spider version is expected to follow it, like the Roma before it. So in summary, the Ferrari Amalfi marries elegance and performance with smarter design, sharper dynamics, stunning looks, physical controls, and that unmistakable V8 soundtrack. It's a GT meant to be approachable, but still thrilling. Ferrari's new gateway to the prancing horse experience. If you loved this review and want in-depth breakdowns of these epic machines, do the right things. Mash that like button, drop your thoughts on the Amalfi in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Addicts. Leave me a comment. Would you choose buttons over screens every time? I'm curious to know. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay fast, stay passionate.